everybody, welcome to Bunky's Workshop. I am Bunky, and yes, we have another unboxing, and I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, this is in a Chewy box, which I thought it was for my dogs, so I did start to open it and then realized, nope, not for the dogs, it's for me. So I figured I'd bring you along. Now this was delivered a couple of days ago, but we've been so busy, I didn't have time to make a video, so I'm trying to make one quickly for you now. So let's get into it. Wow, it does look like it's going to be very well packed. So you can guess what item that might be in here. Is it a hair dryer? Is it a mixer? Is it a piece of furniture? And you're all yelling and screaming, no, you idiot, we know what it is. Open it, open it. So of course we have two very nice wands. Guess I should move a little bit closer so you guys can see, huh? You don't, There we go. So we have two wands. Now can you see the clips? So what brand of vacuum cleaner would have that kind of a clip? They look in very good condition. I'm not seeing any rust. Both of the plastic clips are good. All right, so we're off to a good start. We have a power head here, people. Does this power head give a hint, maybe? What's that look like to you people? It's in a nice like avocado green. That'll kind of give the year away. Now I got it stuck on my thumb. There we go. And it is the Hoover Quadralex Power Mate. Yes, indeed. So let's take a look at it. The wire looks to be original and good condition. The back wheels, not cracked. Front wheels look good. The brush roll, well, the brush roll, it does need new bristles. They're a bit worn, I would say. But it's an oldie but goodie. So there you go. If you can see the bristles, they are kind of worn. Okay, next. I guess I can move this a little closer. I feel like I'm so far away. And here's the hose. Let's see if she's in good condition. Any cracks or... Because we all know that normally around here and at the handle is normally where they crack. Put my glasses on. Let's read what it has. So of course we have here on the front to lock and unlock the wand. Power, on, off. So it has all the nice switches, if you can see it. So you got the toggle switch here for on and off, and then here is your slide control. And of course here is your slide for your lock for your wands. So maybe this kind of gives some indication of what kind of vacuum this is. and that it's very heavy. There she is. In the same avocado green. And those that are wondering, yes, this is an eBay find. I saw it, liked it, put an offer in, and it was immediately accepted. Okay, I don't see any tools in here, so I guess I'm going to have to get some tools. Seems to be in pretty good condition. Let's just give a little bit of a look around. A little bit of paint on the sides. How about underneath? So nice rubber wheel. The back wheels are in good condition. So far, I'm not seeing any major damage. Hose release. Automatic manual. Cord rewind. On, off. And on here it says, Hoover Dimension 1000. 4.3 peak horsepower by Hoover. Check bag indicator. Low airflow indicator. Power indicator, has LED lighting, which I'll show this up to you close here in a second. Okay. Trying to remember how we got into one of these things. Wow, it looks very nice. Huh. Okay. I've never seen one of these in person, but I would like to know how you open it. Okay, I'm back. I finally got to, it's just very, very, very tight. Now I can't get it back off. There we go. Whew, that thing is tight. Well, all right, here we go. Inside, and it smells. We have a bag. It's been used a little bit. Look at that filter. That's nasty. Look at that. Inside is a bit dusty. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's dusty. It says, use genuine Hoover filter bags type M. Okay. And I can clean that filter up. That's pretty bad. So I guess it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. I swear. There we go. Whew, it smells. Put the bag back in. Guess I could tilt you down so that you guys can be seeing what's going on. There you go. Sorry about that. Anyways, so there you go. Trying to get the bag back in. Smelly bag. Okay. Oops. Whew, smells. Well, let's just hope. Let's see if this cord rewind works. Oh, that's strong. Okay. Let's just hope it doesn't blow up, huh? Ugh, makes my nose itch. All right. Let's plug in the hose. It's a little dry, but nothing major. So, let's see if I can get this so you guys can see it. But it's showing the power is turned on and that we're in the low mode. Of course, everything is controlled by the handle, so you can turn it on. And then here at the handle, you got your power. And as you can see up here, it's showing the check bag. So not bad. It smells a little bit, but we can work with that, I guess. Okay, let's check out this power head. Okay, the lock still works. That's good. Now let's just see if the power head still works. Oh yeah! Well, ladies and germs, the headlight works on the power head, but you guys could probably hear it needs a new belt. With the suction of the vacuum, it just clamps down on the carpet and the beater bar just stops. Anyways, but it does have the on-off switch, and that does work. So it seems like everything is in working order. I need to find some bags for it. I need to get a belt for the power head and clean out that filter and go from there. Give it a good cleanup, huh? Other than that, it looks like it's in really good condition. The ones that I usually see, usually this handle is broken or missing altogether. But I would like to find the tools for here. It would be nice. The floor brush, the upholstery tool, and the front or the dusting brush would be nice to find. But other than that, it's in really good condition. And if I find my phone, give me a second, I will tell you what I paid. All right, let's tilt this back up. Okay, so. What did Bunky pay for this one? So this one, I think I might have overpaid a little bit on it, but you tell me. I paid $140 with shipping. Da-da-da-da. Yep. On August 31st. $140 is what I paid. So you guys can tell me what you think about that. I think it's a little bit on the high side. However, you know, trying to find these in excellent condition is kind of hard. But anyways, I can add it to my collection now that I have one. And I'll work on getting bags, clean the filter, and a belt. And we'll go from there, right? I want to do a demo for you, but I cannot because I don't have a belt for the power head, which is a shame. All right, let me see if I can find, I think downstairs in the shop I might have one. Let me look. If I do, then I'll put it together, see if we can do a demo. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I put a belt in. It's a used belt, and we're going to give it a quick whirl. Well, there you go. She runs. Definitely putting the belt on this power head made a big difference. It's too bad they didn't make the make this handle swivel, but I guess because the electric in it you couldn't. But that's the problem I was having, is because it doesn't swivel, you know, the hose gets kind of twisted. But anyway, she seems to be running pretty strong. Does a very good job. But I'm definitely going to have to get myself a new bag, clean the filter, get some parts. There you go. Rocking and a rolling. So, not bad for an oldie but goodie. Huh? Life. What would we do without our vacuum cleaners, people, huh? All right, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye for now.